Hello, my name is Afaiatyap. Do you know how to speak Tyap, but yet you find it very difficult to uh, read this? Liaragwazana didn't Tyap, I'll call you 5. Did I just. Yeah, I did that. This is the Tyap Bible, and it's been one of the most amazing thing that has happened to the Tyap people. Now, the Tyap Wikimedians user group are setting up a bootcamp second season to help teach those who are finding it very difficult to read and write in Tyap, sons and daughters home and abroad. You can attend in person and you can also join us online. Now, what you need to be part of this, first of all, you need to know how to speak here, even if not fluently, but you need to know how to speak. Secondly, you need to have a smartphone. Thirdly, you need to have at least an alternative laptop. That's for the big boys. And the venue for the bootcamp is AX1 Alumakama Banaru off Narai Junction. If you're coming in person, that's the address. Jump to my comment section right now and find a link that will take you to the Google form where you fill all necessary information required of you. And you'll find another link that will take you to the Tyap Wikimedians user group Facebook page. Keep following for details. And all informations concerning the bootcamp are also on the flyer. Yes, this flyer. You'll find it in the comment section. The closing date for the registration is 31st of July, this month. Hope you don't come late. See you there, unless you are Shemang's friend. I know you will definitely not come. I want one with Piazza if you Adam Saga India show. Hey! See you there.